Hello. I've been with Choice Warranty for some time now. I had them when I was with my other home, and I truly like their services. They send very good quality people. But the young man who came to my home the last time, and I can't remember his name, but he was very kind. He came into the home, he put the little footies on and everything, and I said it wasn't necessary. He came and he looked at the sump pump for me. He gave me some suggestions, and he was honest with me. And he was like, nah, you don't need a sump pump. This one is working fine. So he was very informative, and I really appreciated his services, his kindness, his punctuality. I mean, everything. I love the guy, so I'm grateful that Choice chose that particular company. And like I said, I've never had any issue with Choice. They've always been very on point, and I appreciate their services. Wouldn't change them for the world.